Hellcat.
Yo! It's fucking crazy in here, bro! Yo! Oh my god! Look how fucking crazy this is, yo! Oh my god! Yo, this is pure freaking... Yo, you can see that, bro. You guys can see that with your own eyes. I'm sorry for swearing. I'm really scared right now. My cousin and them are right there. My dog is under there. I don't know what to do. I'm so scared right now, bro. I don't know. I have no idea what to do. Yo, I don't know what's going on. Yo, I don't even think I'm going to post this. It's alright. It's alright. They're in there. I don't even know if they're safe. They're in that tent. It just went straight up crazy. Oh my god. That's just hell, yo. My dog is under there. I wish he was over here. Look how scared he looks. Oh my god. Oh my god. And guys, do you guys want to hear the scariest part? You guys want to hear the scariest part? Is I'm home alone with my cousins back there. I was gonna go out there, but then I made my second thoughts. Alright. What do I do? I don't know what to do. Yo, the noise though made so much noise. Like I did not know what to do. On top, I know it's messed up, yo. They're in there screaming their freaking butts out. Oh, I don't know. I think I'm gonna do something for you guys. Oh. I said I was gonna come out there. Yo. I'm gonna go check out how windy it is. Boys. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh my god. Dude, I'm shaking, bro. I'm shaking up, man. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yo, this is going straight up crazy. It's getting windy. Oh crap. It's getting windy. Oh my god. It's getting windy. Frick, yo. Alright, the hail is starting to hit it. And it's going wicked out here. I'm actually scared, bro. I thought, like the other side, we're over there. I was gonna start recording, but then I ended up saying I had second thoughts before recording. I keep going up with this, yo. Like, I'm actually scared. This is real life, man. Like, I'm showing you the hail. I don't know if I should go out there with them and be savage. I don't know what to do. So, I'm just thinking if I should go over there or do anything. I'm scared as heck, man. Oh, my God. It is wicked, man. Oh, my God. Yo. My God, I kind of wish I was out there. They told me I would wish I was out there, and I do now. I wish I was out there. Oh, I should just went with them. Yo, they're going crazy in here. I know they're going crazy, bro. Boys, it's even going even crazier. It's going crazier than I ever thought, yo. I didn't even know this happened. Yo. Oh my God. This is really wicked, man. Yo. Boys and... Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. My God, yo. It's really wicked out there. It's really windy out there too. Oh my God. Boys, here's the angle of my room. And to even pump it up a little bit, here is my angle of my grandma's room. And here is the angle of my brother's room, my cousin's room. Oh my God, yo. Alright. Oh my God. I've never seen hail like this in a while. I can hear it like bumping on top. I don't know how wicked it is. I kind of want to go out there and be a savage like with you guys. But I also don't want to do it because my safety. Whoever is out there in this, I'm sorry, and you have to stay safe. If you see any clouds wicked like this, run to shelter no matter what. Oh, I just got a double hit to the freaking window. Oh, yo. It's starting not to feel safe out here. It's really starting not to feel safe in here. It's got a little lighter, but yeah. Oh my God. Oh my God. It is being wicked. It is just going hard. It is just not stopping. Oh my God. I'm gonna do something savage. I'm gonna do it. I don't care. I don't care. Alright. I think I'm gonna go out there. Oh my God. Yo, I'm even scared to get hit from it. Yo, it's just going wicked, man. It gets non-stop going wicked, though. I'm gonna open it. You boys! Ow! Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at my poor dog. Hey, Mason! Chris! Mason! Yo, it's hard to get this out because the wind is coming in. Oh my God. I should have freaking went out there. Oh. I'm starting not to see any hail, so I'm gonna go out there. I'm coming out. Oh yeah. What's up, Sparky? Spark. Spark. Oh my God. I think there's another one. Alright. It's really windy, bro. Yo, even earlier before I started recording, I got hit a couple times. I felt like going, like I was right here and I was running and I was almost there and then oh my God, that's wicked. Oh, but I was right here and I got hit a little by some and I came running in here. I was gonna just jump in there, but I just decided not to. Oh, what is my dog doing? What is my dog doing? I can tell he's scared. Yo. I don't even know. Boys, I think I'm gonna just go. Oh yeah, so I was like coming over here and I got hit by a couple hails and I was about to go in through there, but then I got a little scared, so I came through here because I thought it would be even wickeder. So I came in here and I just went inside. I think I'm just gonna book it. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, 1, 2, 3. I'm going. Yeah, boys, open up. Yo, open up. I got hit a couple times.
I'm trying to.
Yo, hurry up, yo.
I'm
I'm in here. Like, I'm
Are you
really
soaked?
sitting down. Almost soaked. Not that much. Yo, let me in. Let me in, yo. Please, come on. Boys, we have just arrived back in. Like, we were in there, as you seen, and I was scared. Here's that. This didn't show on the other, or it showed, but I'll show you it. Yo, I'm gonna cry. Yo, I'm gonna cry. Yo, why am I gonna cry? Yo, I regret it. I'm gonna cry. Like, I'm actually gonna cry. I don't wanna cry in front of you guys. I'm gonna do something savage for you guys. Oh my god. So yeah, like, why the hell did I make that noise? You were asking. And I'm like, yeah, I was stupid. I was being stupid and sarcastic. I don't know what I was thinking. But, sorry if I didn't post for long. I'm really trying. Just, hold on, let me check out I got. Hey, Google. Is it gonna rain?
It's likely. Tonight in Glycan, there's a moderate chance of rain from now until around 11 p.m.
Let me check this out. Alright, 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. It is going to rain. Alright. This is really wicked. This is one of my wickedest videos. I'm just looking out. Guys, I see a storm. Another one is like way over there. Because the wind is coming from like here, like there, to this way, and it should be coming our way. Don't know. Go check for yourself. Is that the way it's coming our way? I don't know. But if you guys enjoyed it, make sure you smash the like and subscribe to my channel. Yo, I'm scared. Yo, I'm gonna do something savage for you guys. I'm gonna do something savage for you guys. Yo, I'm actually gonna cry. I don't know what I was thinking. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure you smash the like. I'm gonna cry. Yeah, if you guys enjoy, make sure to smash the like. I keep saying that so much times, but if you guys enjoy, smash the like, subscribe. Peace out, my buddies. Remember to like and subscribe for the overnight challenge. Love you guys so much. Peace out, my homies. Oh, you guys are funny.